Today, we're unboxing the latest in stability and style, the Asics Gel Kayano 31 in classic black and white. Right out of the box, these look clean, sleek design, mesh upper for breathability, and that signature gel cushioning. Asics added FF Blast Plus Eco Foam, so they're lighter and more responsive, and the updated heel structure built for stability. Let's try them on. Wow, locked in. Super soft underfoot and zero break-in time. Perfect for long runs, walks, or all-day wear. Asics Gel Kayano 31. Style, comfort, and support in every step.